Hey, hey guys. Oh, excuse me. Oh, today I'm gonna be doing a video on oh, sorry. Oh my goodness, what's happening? Today I'm going to be doing a video about traveling and oh gosh. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I've never sneezed this much in my life since the last time. Oh my goodness. Jenny Mac. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, my eyes have gone all watery. I don't know what just happened there. Sorry, but oh my lord. Oh my god, look. I don't know what happened. It's over? I think it's over. Oh. That was weird. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, bless me. Oh my goodness. Owen. What is it? Oh, it's happening. Again.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. This is only a recent thing that's happening to me. I've never sneezed this much before. Unlike the last time, I have another video my friend took of me. I only sneezed once, but I sneezed so many times after that, and now I'm just sneezing non-stop, and I don't know what's bringing it on. I think it's whenever it's sort of sunny or halfway sunny.
Tampon!
Or whenever it's halfway sunny. I don't know, it's the pollen or something, it just gets me. Or maybe it's because my room is so dusty. I don't know. Oh gosh, I had to grab the nearest thing to me and it's my towel. I'm gonna leave you in this video.
USS?
Okay, I think it's over. Yeah.